Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is yet another reading. I just wanted to say that April is almost going to end, so these are messages for April, and I will give you different messages for people who are new to my channel. Welcome to Tam Predicts, and I'm a psychic medium, and I read tarot intuitively, and I use channel messages to give you messages, and I work with my spirit guides, my archangels, and my ascended masters who give me messages and I give them to you. Also, just to tell you that the subscription for my channel is now open. You can subscribe to my channel, which means only those videos will be only available for members and not non-members. So. There are three different membership levels. You can choose whichever you feel whichever you feel suits you the best, or whichever one that you think is the best for you. So you can just click on the join icon which you see when you come to my channel and see which membership you want to take. So now let's start with the reading and let's see what are the messages for you guys. And I've got some charms. I just took out some charms, and these are things that came out in my hand. So I'm going to use 3-4 decks today. Let's see what are the messages. What messages do you guys need to know? So I'm going to put it this way, and let's see the first one. So become a peace ambassador, because it's come reversed, it's come towards me. I feel some kind of upheaval in your life. Upheaval in the sense two people not getting well, getting on well together. That's what I get. I think you got to mend a relationship with someone. Either it's your family members, loved one, or probably your boss or something. But this is you not, really dealing with the situation well. It's not really peaceful, or the situation is not making you peace, giving you any peace. Or you fought with someone, and now your mind is not at rest, and you want to talk to the person, but you do not know how to approach the person, or you said something wrong, and now you're regretting it. So this is you got to make peace with the situation, or that was a channel message. Either you got to make peace with the situation, or you had a fight or tiff or whatever with someone, and that needs to be solved now. It can't keep on it can't keep on going. Somebody has to resolve it, and I think you are thinking about it. So I think if you've been thinking about it, do talk to the person or reach out to the person. That's what I get. Harmony will ultimately be sorry, honesty. Why did I say harmony? Because I've been reading harmony, so maybe that's a channel message more than anything else. So honesty will be rewarded. So if you've been honest in a situation, it wasn't really your mistake, and you think it's not right whatever happened. So it honesty will be rewarded. Also, if you've done any good act, or you've been honest with people or with yourself, or where honesty was really required in that situation, and I think it will be rewarded. I don't know if it's a monetary reward, or if you've been honest in a relationship, the other person is going to really feel good that you did say the right thing to the person, or you did say that you were honest about the situation or whatever happened. So honesty is a big thing here, and I think you were honest and you will be rewarded for that. I don't know why I felt this card will come out. I really felt this even before I took the deck out. I was like, moving is going to come out. So you're going to move to another place. I feel moving from one job to another, moving from one home to another. You're changing a home. You're wanting to go into a new home. You've been living in this home for long, or you've been in this job for long, but there is movement. I see there is movement from one place to another, and you were looking forward to that movement. So it's not that you had to move somewhere and you're not really happy, but I think you were looking forward to this change. I feel it's like how speedily this carriage is going. It's not that you're feeling sad or something. Yes, you're feeling sad whatever you're leaving behind, but this is movement, and this is, yeah, you were wanting it in some way. You were wanting to move ahead. That's another channel message that I get. You were wanting to move ahead of others, or something that will make you move ahead of others, and that's what you always wanted. There is a surprise on its way. Look at the card. It is so beautiful. What a beautiful energy. And this is somebody's going to surprise you. It'll be a very sweet, pleasant surprise. I wanted to say the word sweet, and I hope it's a sweet surprise. And somebody's going to surprise you, and I think it'll be today. It could be a message that you were waiting for, a message. It could be a letter that you were waiting for, or something that you really wanted to receive. I get that channel message. Something that you really wanted to receive in your life. could be a blessing in disguise, could be anything, but it's going to take you by surprise. So that rhymes anyway. so and I feel a pleasant sweet surprise. That's what I'm going to get. If I'm saying the word sweet, could be a chocolate from someone, or something, I don't know, an ice cream, something to do with sweet, but you like it. A lot of you are little little overwhelmed with the way the world is, with all the COVID situation. And it's like if the situation is grim and it's not right, it's kind of troubling you. That's what I feel. And I think you overthinking and you worrying about your health. It's a good thing to worry about your health and to be careful. Please wear a mask, guys, wherever you're interacting, and keep your social distancing. um, I feel because this card is very different, but what I get from here is you worried about your health. It's and you feeling pretty, it's gloomy, and like I get a lot of gray, and you feeling very sad about whatever is happening around you and the world around you, and you're not really happy about that. And it's almost like you asking yourself questions that uh, you know. Life is so fragile, and what is my purpose, and will I be able to do the things that I wanted to do, will I be able to fulfill my dreams. So that's what I feel. Those all things are coming to your mind. New openings, I told you, there is a new opening, so which means you are going to change your job. I really feel that you are going to change your new job. Or it's also a house. See, it's coming. It's coming with this card moving and opening, and I feel this is opportunity. Maybe it's a surprise. Maybe there's a new opening for you, and you're distributing sweets, or you're distributing something. Are you giving a chocolate to someone because you got a new job? So this is a new house. This is a new house opening, or this is your job opening. So, or I also get the message that somebody's opening up to you. It is also that you were trying to find an answer to something you were not really clear about. I think now the situation is crystal clear for you. At the moment I was saying, I was like a lot of water energy. And I feel five is going to be important. Five is an important, sorry for those notifications. I feel five is going to be an important number for you. You've been seeing 555, or in 5 days something good will happen. Whenever you're listening to this reading of mine, it's at 5 days. Something good will happen. I mean, you've been seeing the stars, or you've been looking at the stars, something, or you've been reading about them, five pointed stars, or something to do with that. So this is beautiful. Something new is coming, and I think that's really nice. And you'll be happy to move. That's what I want to say. Happy to move to the new home, new job, or whatever this new beginning is. And I think you were waiting for it. For some of you, something is going to be a sweet surprise, like I said. You got to believe in God. That's all. Just be devoted, because I'm not going to read these ones reversed, and I feel Lord Krishna has come out here, and today we are celebrating Ram Navami, and this is also beautiful. So today we're celebrating Ram Navami, like I said. So this is Lord Krishna. I think you've been chanting something, or probably have you got a feather at home? Have you got a feather, a peacock feather like this at home? Stay devoted is what I want to say, because this says devotion. So stay devoted to your lover, your family, and your job. So that's another message that I get. Or maybe you've been looking for spiritual guidance, and that's the God you've been worshiping. That's what I feel. But I feel you have a peacock feather at home. I don't know why I feel that. Increased awareness. So this is a spiritual path totally. This is peacefulness, and I think you're looking for peace, because something has disrupted your peace of mind, and you're actually looking for a chant, or a meditation, or probably or something. Probably you're reading a spiritual book about the cosmic world. That's another message that I get about Stargate, anything to do with that. So there's an increased awareness probably, and responding to a higher vibration, or getting aligned with higher vibration. I want to take this card because it was end of the deck while I was shuffling. And I think communication lines are going to be open between you and whoever you want to communicate with. And I think you'll be very good at creativity right now. Whatever you are going to create is going to sell. That's what I feel. I feel white color will also be good for you in the coming week, in the coming 7 days. White is going to bring you, you'll feel more peaceful. That's another message that I get, and this is beautiful because this is one of the ascended masters that I follow, Mahavatar Babaji, who introduced yoga to the world. Guys, if you didn't know about this. So I feel very blessed when I get him in the reading or when I get Archangel Michael. This is self-expansion. I told you, you are expanding, your knowledge. Are you reading much about spirituality? Oh, Archangel Michael is oh my God, this is beautiful because I just said I feel great when Archangel Michael also, comes in my reading. So this deck was lying like this. So this is a beautiful reading, and things will be fine, guys. Don't worry about anything. Everything will be fine. We all are worried about the world and our loved ones right now. And like in India, the situation is not really great, COVID situation. So things are fine. I just want to say, guys, just think, have positive thoughts, and everything is going to be right. And gods are there with you. I think all the masters are here, and it's going to be right. And I think Archangel Michael has to do with honesty. So you already got an honesty card, and your honesty will be rewarded. Keep the strength, like I said. Don't give up. White, I think, is going to be great for you. I get a lot of Leo Sag energy right now when I pick this card up because this is Leo. I get a lot of Scorpio also. And love between two people. Somebody's going to propose, or there'll be loving words exchanged, or probably you'll be meeting someone. You've met someone recently. It's been 2 weeks. That's what I get online, and I feel there's more communication. More communication will happen between you two. That's what I get. I feel it's going to be a strong relationship. That's what it's telling me. I feel you're more of an air sign, and it's air with earth, it's air with water, it's fire and earth also. I get water and fire also here. A lot of water and fire. You're going to form a strong bond with someone. It's like a strong bond, a link. Networking will be strong right now. You'll be very good at networking. Wear green color, you'll feel better. It will heal you. If you've been worrying about your health too much or anything else, wear green. Yes, fish, Piscean energy quite a lot here. And I get this is movement. These are wheels for me. These two little balls here. And or is it I also get also seeing both sides of a situation. That's what you're doing. That's why you're more clear in your thinking. It's like a yin and a yang. It's like, or you're assessing the situation very well, the positives and the negatives in the situation. You're weighing the pros and cons. It's black and white. No gray areas there. I feel a lot of clarity of mind coming up in these coming days. I'm going to take out 2 more romance angel cards. Let's see. I'll just take out 2 or 3. Let me see. True love. This is your true love, the one you are with perfectly. The one that you are with right now is your true love. Heart-to-heart conversations, communication. I told you communication doors are going to open. You're going to have a lot of communication will happen. A lot of messages exchanged. A lot of things happening. A lot of you expressing your love for each other. Probably you've not said much to the other person, but this is your soulmate. What a beautiful reading, and I'm so glad. This is a soulmate. This person is your true love, and you're going to have a lot of heart-to-heart conversations with the person, and you also have the Lovers card. So love cards are strong. It's all fine. It's all fine. It's paradise right now for you too. I get a lot of number two. I don't know if you're a two or whatever. I get a lot of number two. So that was the reading for today. Thank you so much. I'll be back again. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Take care of yourselves, guys. Bye.